Okay.
You'll be okay.
Help me move this thing.
Trying.
Goddamn French bud!
Okay, he moved. His arm's free.
Contact! 3 targets, let him up!
Target down!
Clear! Standing!
Okay, back to the car. Pep, bust the window. Hannah, check the emergency brakes. On 3. 1, 2, 3!
We're getting there.
Cross! That was close!
We gotta get off this bridge. It's too dangerous.
We are not gonna leave you behind. No one gets left behind. Boss!
Oh, God. Just give me your hand. He should be free. Why isn't it going? God
Is he
damn
stuck on
it!
something?
Straps! He's caught on a strap!
Get it! What is that?
It's a big freaking
Oh!
strap!
Oh! Get him off now! No!